remember in the last video I said after I got the gasket on the header and everything on to see what the sound profile was like for the exhaust. So you could hear that the exhaust is kind of peppy, and do you remember when I said we'll see how much it quiets it down when I get that gasket on the header? Well, it quieted it down quite a bit. So now I'm rethinking. Remember that box, that sound deadening box I was thinking about? Well, I'm not even considering that anymore. I'm actually thinking of trying what I was going to do before. Either put a small muffler here, or I noticed that in this cavity up here, this part goes like above the engine and the starter motor. Thought about that too. I could put it up in there. I thought perhaps we'll see if I can see if there's enough space to where I can bring the exhaust up, out, and over here and down to this secondary muffler here. We'll see what I can figure out. I'll show you what I mean here in a second. So here's the spot beneath the seats right here. I could see now that right alongside right here could also put something. But I don't know if you could see up there above the motor, if I had to get the exhaust up and over or something, I have a little bit of space now. When the vehicle or when the golf cart compresses on the suspension, that space will vary because it comes down a little closer to the engine and so on. So I've got plenty of space. I did order a Walker quiet flow muffler that I'm going to try out. I got it because it had smaller inlets and outlets, so then to try to get an adapter to go from 1 3/4 up to something bigger. So I'll keep you posted all the way. Over and out.